In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a petty cash account into Xero and record payments and receipts. Petty cash is the small pool of physical cash you keep on hand for day-to-day incidentals. Think office supplies, quick couriers, or coffee for a meeting. In Xero, the best way to control and reconcile that cash is to set it up as a bank account without a bank feed, then record money in and out just like any other account. Let's walk through it together. First, open Xero and head to Accounting, then choose Bank Accounts. On this page, select Add Bank Account. Because petty cash isn't connected to a real bank, choose Add Without Bank Feed and then click Continue. This creates a manual account you'll manage yourself. Next, click Add Account Details to fill out the setup form. For bank name, use something clear like your business name or simply petty cash. For account name, use a label everyone will recognize, such as petty cash or cash on hand. In account type, select Other. So Xero treats this as a manual cash account. Enter an account number if your region requires one. This can be an internal code that helps you identify the account. Choose the correct currency for your petty cash, typically your home currency, and then click Add to create the account. Now, let's record money coming into petty cash. For example, when you withdraw cash from your main bank to top up the float, click the plus icon at the top right and select Receive Money. Choose the petty cash account you just created and click Next. You'll land on a receipt screen. In the From field, pick the contact paying the cash in. If you don't have a specific contact, you can use a generic internal contact you've set up. Add a reference, such as petty cash float top up, to make reconciliation easy later. On the line item, select the appropriate item or account. For a top-up, many businesses post this to a clearing or transfer account that mirrors the withdrawal from the main bank. Add a clear description and the amount you're putting into petty cash. When everything looks right, click Save. That's it. Your petty cash account is added and your first receipt is recorded. As you spend from petty cash, you'll use the same plus icon and choose Spend Money to record outflows, attaching receipts and coding each line to the correct expense account for tidy books and smooth reconciliations.